With the successful release of Mario Wonder, Japanese video game company Nintendo cemented its position as the best in the industry. With a net value of approximately $85 billion, even their losses seem like absolute wins for this video game company. And it also makes you wonder, what is the reason for their success? One strong asset that Nintendo has had for a long time is its strong franchises. Take for example the Mario and Legends of Zelda series. They both have top-selling games on the Switch. There were 223 million copies sold of games with these franchises attached. Over the years, these have become absolute icons in our culture. A study from the United States has shown that millennials are more likely to recognize those characters than dictators Hitler or Joseph Stalin. If that doesn't show the grip that Nintendo's had on this generation, I do not know what will. Also, Nintendo's had a strong sense of family attached to its brand since the beginning. Almost all of their games have a focus, or at least an option, to play local multiplayer with friends and family. Take for example the party games, or the infamous Smash Bros. Series. These have very simple controls and are all quick-paced, fun for all ages and designed to create wacky moments that you all can laugh about. And finally, Nintendo's biggest reason for success is its sense of innovation and ability to take risks. From the Nintendo DS with handheld gaming, to the Nintendo Wii with motion controls, to the Wii U, which sucked, to the Nintendo Switch that combined handheld and motion controls. With every console, they innovated and took a risk to try something new. This dedication makes them as loved as they are. This innovation drips over into their games too. By pioneering open-world gaming with Breath of the Wild, which was a huge success for critics and the public, since then this idea has been adopted by the gaming industry with full force. Then take the re-release of F-Zero, which is quite a boring game in itself, but Nintendo figured out a way to make it more interesting for the current audiences by making it a battle royale, which was a huge risk, but paid off for them big time. And finally, the recent release of Mario Wonder, which I already mentioned in the beginning. They took a huge risk by using this gimmick of the Wonder Seeds, which essentially transforms the whole level into a new experience. Personally, I love this, and it also made the levels way more replayable. This all mainly created by keeping the same teams around for a long time. 4 out of the 5 original developers who created the first Mario game were still around for the creation of Wonder to make sure it still had the Mario touch, which makes it so special. They keep these people around to nurture the new stuff and keep the same core values. And even though their current hardware is definitely not up to the standards of the industry, they know their limits, and through the beautiful, vibrant, but simple art styles, they still manage to create games that look appealing and run smoothly. So, what is the secret behind Nintendo's success? It's the perfect blend of traditions and an unyielding spirit of innovation. This is truly the thing that differentiates them from the rest of the industry. Nintendo isn't just a video game company. It's a beloved part of our culture, a source of inspiration and a driving force behind countless hours of pure gaming joy. And with each new release, like the recent Mario Wonder, they remind us that their adventure is far from over. Nintendo is and will always be a wonder in the world of gaming.